Hello, hello, hello. I'm back with another fun braid tutorial. I told you guys I was learning a lot of different braids over quarantine, and I still am. So today's video is going to be all about these cute, fun braids. So if you want to go ahead, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Go right ahead and let's get started. So what you want to do is go ahead and brush through your hair. And then you're going to take a comb and start pulling the pieces you want left out, which are the two front pieces. It can be as little or as much as you want. And you're just going to tie those aside and start braiding your hair. Now, I'm so sorry for not showing you exactly what I'm doing, beginner problems, but I'm just doing a simple French braid, and I am pulling that all the way down to the bottom of my scalp. Then I'm tying that off with an elastic, and then I'm going to start the same thing on the other side, leaving out as much as I want in the front, and then I am going to braid this side. So I'm just braiding this side of my head and then doing the same exact thing that I did on the other side, and I'm just stopping the ponytail when it gets to the bottom of my scalp. Then I'm just taking another elastic and tying off that piece. And it should look exactly like this. It can be messy too, it doesn't matter, just as long as it looks like a braid. Then this piece is actually optional, you don't have to do it. Eventually I ended up taking mine out, but you can wrap a piece of your hair around that elastic and bobby pin it and secure it. Here I am just curling the pigtails one by one. I probably held the pigtails in the curler for about 6 or 7 seconds. Ta-da! That is it for this video. This was so simple to create. Be sure to follow me on all my socials. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!